Okay, it's Saturday morning. We're going to prepare the north side of the shop to cross cut some long boards. They're over 12 feet long that I can't handle inside the shop, and I want to have the north side of the shop here prepared to handle some long boards. So the first thing we're going to need to do is kind of clean up the materials that are stored here and put them somewhere else. Okay, so I got the slatted boards moved down to the underside of the shop here. Come on down here, I'll show you. Okay, you can see I've got them stored under here, under the shed in there on pallet boards, so they're not directly in contact with the soil, and they should be good here for a while. I do have a project in mind for them, so I want to save them for later. And so the deck is pretty well cleared off, but it looks like desperately in need of a sweeping. Okay, so I've swept off the side of the wood shop, the north side of the wood shop. Disturbed as many spiders as I could without killing any. And ready to start setting up for the saw now. I'm gonna put the miter saw on this old workmate here. So I'm gonna move the workmate over, and then I'm gonna use those two homemade sawhorses for the outfeed table. Should be smooth sailing from here. I think this project could be improved if I could decrease the profile of both the stand that I have holding the saw and the sawhorses. This will prove the concept, and I think upgrades in the future will certainly help.